Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll have a look at Babylon, or the ticker is baby, as you can see BABY. So the reason I'm looking at this coin is that it is the biggest platform, or you can say biggest protocol on Bitcoin's DeFi network. Of course, Bitcoin doesn't support the staking or even staking because Bitcoin is a proof of work, but Babylon does the native Bitcoin staking. So basically, you don't need to wrap your token or anything. You can just stake the Bitcoin as it is, and you get rewards by securing a Bitcoin secure network, I believe, where you get reward from the baby token itself. Now this is really simple, as you can see here. BTC holders lock their BTC using the trustless and self custodial Bitcoin staking script for predetermined time. You do determine the time actual. Bitcoin holders will earn POS staking rewards. So basically, proof of stake staking rewards. As of now, I think they come from the BABY token or from the Babylon chain, which is based on Cosmos SDK, as you can see here. As of now, the rewards are given from the inflation, I believe, like 4% as of now. The inflation of the baby token is like 4%, as you can see, and I don't think that it has any max supply, as you can see, and the rewards do come from that. So I would say that is how it works. Now the reason that I'm looking at is that if you look at the growth, it did not have that much growth from December 2024. As you can see here, the Babylon protocol did go up, like I'm talking about its growth in terms of TVL. It actually ended up going as high as 6 billion back in, I believe, December, and as of now the TVL in terms of BTC is going down, so that's not good. At its peak it was like 57k 57k BTC, and now it's down to 43, so it's not looking that good. Again, this is impressive TVL, but overall it shows that it is going down and it's losing its TVL. Now there are others that are gaining, as you can see here. So I think the trend is just changing from Babylon to others, so that is something you should know if you are the holder of the BABY token. Now if we just look at its tokenomics, I mean the BABY, basically Babylon Genesis, the first Bitcoin supercharged network. As you can see here, Babylon is poised to be the pioneering Bitcoin supercharged network, leveraging crypto economic security directly from the Bitcoin via the Babylon Bitcoin staking protocol. They have these three things going on. So the role of the baby token is pretty simple. It is used for the transaction fees, governance, and security within the system. So it is a layer 1, so it has a typical utility of those layer 1 blockchains. And the initial supply of the BABY token was like 10 billion. This is the initial supply, and after that this 270 69 million comes from the inflation itself, so that is a massive inflation. As of now, the circulating supply is like 2.5 billion, which I wouldn't say is a lot, but if you look here, the community gets around 15% of that 10 billion. Ecosystem gets around 18, R&D and operations get around 18%. Early private round investors get like 30%, which is a lot, I would say, and they don't have vesting, so that's pretty good. They have like locking across 4 years, so I would say that's good. There is a team getting around 15%, and there is advisors getting around 3.5%. So from my understanding, if we just look here, as of now we have early investors as well as team, as well as we have advisors. Their tokens were locked for 1 year. Now what this means is that they will receive their tokens after 1 year. And if we look at when the token launched, it basically launched back in April, As you can see, April of 2025. So after 1 year there will be an intense amount of, I would say, sell pressure when that happens, because this is just a massive token unlocks, and that will eventually, I think, put a lot of stress on this coin in the long term. And even if you look at how it's doing, it is not doing that well. It seems like that the demand for the BAPY token is just not there. I think the demand could actually go up when they announce some upgrades, but as of now it doesn't seem like that is the case. Again, the token did go up, so it has been doing really well recently, so it is in the uptrend. If we just look at the overall trend, I think the token seems to be really strong as of now, because this uptrend is looking really good. But as of now it does needs to break above this uptrend if it wants to go if it wants to go and make a new high. So as of now, what I'm looking at, I actually want this token to break above from here, so like 7.8 cent. If it does breaks above this 7.8 cent, I think it can go as high as 10 cent or even higher than that, because it is trading in this channel, as you can see here. So I think as of now the token is looking good, because it is in the uptrend and it's doing really well. But again, if you are interested in this coin, I think you can get this coin in this, I would say, in this channel, and you can just sell it as it goes up. But as of now it's looking good, but after 1 year there will be intense amount of sell pressure that you do need to know, as you can see here. Now again, I wouldn't call this coin that much bearish for now, at least, because although the demand is not going up, I think it's holding really well, as you can see here. There was a massive unlock, I would say, for some times, but that relock happened. So I would say overall it does show that there is a pretty good strength when it comes to the stakers. A lot of people are using their Bitcoin. I think in the future there will be a lot more people that will most likely use their Bitcoins, because holding Bitcoin for nothing is not that good. So I think they would basically want some rewards, and I think Babylon or any other, you can say, Bitcoin protocol could actually come in handy. So I think Babylon could be the biggest one, because they do support native staking. They do not require any wrap Bitcoin or anything. So I would say the demand for the Babylon should increase, but I am still concerned about its token unlock. So that is something you should know for the long term. But I think as of now it should be a good hold for at least 1 year. After that, things could go wrong.